In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Wix full-width slider. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will build and customize the slider directly on your page. Once your site is open, go to the Add Elements panel by clicking the plus icon on the left side of the editor. This panel gives you access to the design elements you can place on your site. From there, choose Gallery and then look for either Pro Gallery or Slider Galleries. Both options can work well, but the important part is selecting a gallery type that supports a slider layout. After you find the one you want to use, drag the element onto your page and place it in the section where you want the slider to appear. Once the gallery is on the page, click on it so the editing toolbar appears. In that toolbar, select the layout icon. This is where you can change the way the gallery displays. Choose a slider layout so your images or videos will appear in a sliding format instead of a grid or collage. This is the setting that gives the element the look and behavior of a true slider. Next, make the slider span the full width of the page. To do that, click the stretch icon, which looks like a double-headed arrow on the selected element. This expands the gallery across the full width of the screen, helping it create a more modern and immersive look. A full-width slider is especially useful for featured content, banners, and visual highlights. After that, click Manage Products to add your images or videos. This is the area where you upload or select the media you want to display inside the slider. As you add content, keep in mind that high-quality visuals usually create the best result. Try to use media that looks consistent in size and style, so the slider feels clean and professional. Then open Settings to fine-tune how the slider works. Here you can adjust autoplay, transition speed, and navigation arrows. Autoplay is useful if you want the slider to move automatically. Transition speed controls how quickly it changes from one slide to the next. Navigation arrows make it easier for visitors to move through the content manually. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish to make your changes live on your site. That covers everything you need to know.